Welcome back to another interesting tutorial, and in today's video I will show you on how to transfer data from MTN to MTN line. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your dialer. Next thing you want to do is to dial *777# then hit enter. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here and make sure you type 6 and hit on send. The next thing you want to do is to click on here again and make sure you type 2, then hit on send. Next thing you want to do is to click on here again and make sure you type 1, then hit on send. Next thing you want to do is to click on here again, make sure you type 1, hit on send. Then you have to enter the MTN line that you want to transfer the data to. I'm going to go ahead and enter the MTN line. Have you entered the MTN line, hit on send. Megabyte or gigabyte data that you want to send. Select the amount of data you want to transfer. Maximum daily transfer on my line is 5 gig. So from your own end, it might be more than 5 gig on daily transfer or lesser than that. You just need to make sure that you do not enter a figure that is exceeded your daily transfer. So in my own hand, I'm going to click on here now and enter 7, which is the maximum data I can transfer on daily is 5 gig. Having entered 7, I'll hit on send. Then please confirm you want to transfer 5 gig from your data bundle to this line. Click on here and enter 1. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on send. You have gifted 5 gig to this particular line. It's that simple. And you will receive an SMS notification from MTN. Hello, you have gifted 5 gig to this particular line. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your MTN line, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.